Gotta have ice cream when you're walking in the sun, no matter where you are.
Welcome to Footsteps and Tyretracks, and we are Mark and V. We love exploring, and this is our amazing adventure to the beautiful island of Bali.
I won't make it easy.
That's a little warung we've just been to. Bukit Sari. That door, what a doorway that is. I love it. Every time we walk up here, I stop to admire it. And we bought a few bits and pieces off this shop as well. That's where we bought the pineapple head. Coconut head, yeah. Mm. Gotta have ice cream when you're walking in the sun, no matter where you are. Mm. What an amazing truck. Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the early model. There's quite a few on the island and they're all really been looked after. And this one there is stunning. Be great driving around the island in this. So after you've gone through the warungs and little shops there, it sort of becomes a bit more residential. There's a few places to stay. So a lot of people tend to sort of get as far as the warungs and turn around and go back to Ubud. We're going to carry on to the other side. We've done this before. And hopefully we'll be able to get a car at the other side to take us back to Ubud. And just while we're looking, this is sort of some of the tours you can expect to be available when you're here in Bali. This might just give you an idea. Hopefully you can read them. Told you about dogs not liking anybody anymore. What are you barking at, eh? Too hot for that. Just going to show you this sign here. Ubud Palace. That's just up from where we come out of the paddy fields. 25-minute walk. Well, I don't know who's walking it and how long their legs are. But I would say, what would you reckon, V? Hour?
Yeah, probably more like an hour.
Yeah.
Actually walking very fast, but
Yeah.
it's just too hot.
Far too hot to do it in 25 minutes.
Probably yesterday when we were picking that up, wasn't it? Cooler.
Yeah, maybe last night when it was raining. How hot is that, carrying that? Whoa. These people really are strong and very hard workers. How you doing, okay?
Quiet.
Oh, yeah, very quiet. We'll get better though. Yeah.
How long
We're here for about a month. We're now week 3?
3 days?
Week 3.
Oh, 3 weeks.
Yeah, so we've got another week left.
It's good for you, but very quiet.
Well, it's good and bad because lots of things are not open as well.
Yeah.
So some of our favourite places are still closed. So it's
From Australia?
England.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. There's little tiny ones of our pictures.
Yeah. Very difficult. In 2 years, it's not tourist.
I know.
Yeah.
It's
Just work, making more
Make
painting.
more painting,
Yeah,
yeah.
but no.
I might just have a little quick.
Just quick look now.
Weird. Oh, yes, they are, aren't they? That almost looks like paintings, doesn't it? Photos. That almost looks like photos. I do like that. Oh, there's one similar to what we got, Vay.
Yeah. Yeah, very similar. Because I wouldn't know what to live in a new place.
Yeah, until we've moved in, we.
Indeed.
Yeah. That's great as well. These are really good as well, look. These portrait pictures.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah.
Very good. How much is this one?
Warung. The name is Warung.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
I
yeah.
have one already.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. My daughter tried to steal it.
Yeah.
She loved borrowing.
Yeah, in Bali, it's a word for protection.
Yes. And how much is this one?
100,000. Keep it like this or roll it?
We're gonna have to roll it. You'll never get it home like that. It'll get damaged. Ah. Well, if you roll it,
I wouldn't have that.
you sure? Okay. Okay.
Yes, I'll go in my case. It'll be fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
No problem. No problem.
That means we've been trying to steal cars off
Yeah.
Walmart for years, but she don't like that.
Oh my. Well, that's a joker. That's a cat.
Scary. Oh, no.
What have you seen?
Cat.
Cat.
Cute. These?
50,000.
I wanted to get some little animals for any kids. Not that I'd give up.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're getting to the end of the ridge walk now, and up the far end we're going to try and get a go-get car. Normally we use Bluebird, but I've just had a look on the app and there's no Bluebirds in the area. I don't know why, but Bluebirds don't seem to come to Ubud as much unless they're dropping off, and then if you're lucky if you get one. So we'll try go-get and see what happens, and if we don't find one, then we've got quite a walk ahead of us, but I'm sure we will. So this is the end of the Ridge Walk. We're gonna order a go-get from here. Booked a grab car and it's gonna cost us 42,000 from the end of the campuhan Ridge to Monkey Forest. And it's gonna take about 3 minutes to get here. So what can you complain about? Perfect, isn't it? And here he is. The grab car's pulled up. Oh. Have they?
I see you walking from
So there we are, that's how easy it is. We ordered the grab, he's turned up. That was literally less than a minute, wasn't it, really? And we're going down to Monkey Forest now. Perfect way. Just install the app before you come, make sure it's working, and you're fine. Good to go. I think knowing about some of the apps beforehand, and you know, it's all very well, everybody saying they know about Grab and GoGab and Bluebird, but not everybody does.
holiday.
Sorry?
4 weeks.
4 weeks, yeah.
1 more week left.
You stay where? You stay in Ubud?
Yeah. On the paddy, on the rice fields, Radita?
Radita.
Radita?
Raditya.
Raditya.
And then we go to Kuta tomorrow.
When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And then just one day in Kuta.
And back to Ubud then?
And then we go to Sanur. So we can go to the beach.
But Kuta is bit or two.
Yes, but Sanur nicer beach.
Yeah, but not big wave. Yes,
Yeah, because we like to swim and Kuta not nice to swim. Kuta good for sunset.
Yeah, good for sunset. Sanur good for sunrise.
Yes, yeah.
You have to go bed early, get up early.
So we've now come down to the Monkey Forest. It's almost a rite of passage when you come to Ubud. So the entrance that we used to go into, where you've just seen us filming, no longer can you go that way. You've got to come about 20 metres up the road and there's like a car entrance and you have to come in this way. So we've never done this before, but maybe we've just got in that way. But you come down this path. Seems to be quite busy really this way, you know, walking down with all the cars and everything. Bit of a silly idea. Is that the entrance over there? I think it is. Okay, so everywhere we've been in Bali, had no issues with masks. They want us to go wear a mask in with the monkeys. You can get rabies from monkeys, but apparently the monkeys can get COVID from us. So in the open air. So hey, not to worry. We won't be going to the Monkey Forest then.
I'm sure we'll see some down
We'll walk down the other end where we normally go, and I'm sure we'll see some monkeys. But the funniest thing ever has just happened. Monkey has just nicked V's painting. He's running around up there. There he is. Got the painting. You can see it. You can see it. Hey! Oh dear! Naughty monkey! Mischievous. Yeah! We sat talking and we just saw a hand come up and he grabbed it and ran.
You need not to be careful with your family bags. They are just thinking Thank you.
Suddenly I'm hanging on to everything. Hey. Thing is though, that's YouTube Gold. Oh, that's so funny. There they go. Look at them all coming up.
Is that always the same?
Later in the day. On the forest.
Yeah.
I can't get to go in that forest.
Our daughter got bit in there a couple of years ago. Our daughter got bit in there a couple of years ago. She was fine. She has an urge to scratch every so often, but that's about it. Tell me, Cassie.
Thank you.
Hey, funny, make me laugh. Come back tomorrow for it again. Bye bye. Okay, you look after yourself, okay? Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
That is so, I don't know how much I got on video, but that is so funny. There they are, the little buggers. Look at them all crawling up there. Oh. Well, that was so funny. That is we were literally sat just finishing off our lunch. We'd had a beer and we saw a hand come up beside Fee. She had the painting on the table. Show the camera the painting. He ran off. Look at it. He ran off. He was trying to rip it open because I suppose he figured it was food.
Yeah. That's probably why he let go of it, because he realised he couldn't eat it.
No, she was hitting him with a stick. Did you not see the girl up there? She got up there, a bloody great stick, and she was like, well, one hitting it, but whacking the ground beside it, like, you know.
They thought no though, didn't they? Because wherever you go, they hit sticks on the ground and then monkeys leave.
Yeah, I think that
Stop being naughty, don't they?
mutually agreed sort of thing. Look at them coming up over here. They're following us. Yeah, they want the painting. And they're above us. They're above you as well up there. Well, that's today's excitement. Well, what can you say to that? I think the monkey wanted to entertain us. The paint.
Left it on the table, really.
Yeah, it was our fault. We left things on the table. We knew the monkeys were about, and you know they're going to try and grab it if it's food. Ah, there, you're right. No thanks. No thank you. And so you know, the reality of it is, we probably caused that problem just by leaving stuff on the table. You're just gonna, you know, be sensible.
So when you watch this, Bethany, it was your painting the monkeys had stolen. So that's for your 21st birthday present. So I think you're very lucky you're still getting it.
Something to give you nightmares with. Look at this. What do you think of that, guys? That's a bit scary, isn't it? We're just commenting, this is a Saturday, and how quiet is it? There are tourists about, but there's no real shops of any substance open. Right, we've taken a grab up to the Bintang Supermarket in Ubud. Just have a look around. You know, again, it's all the typical sort of stuff, a bit similar to Krishna's really, but I think this particular time there's more stuff.
Try the big one, see what.
That's the other thing with when you buy stuff in here. It can be clean, it can be dirty.
Our kids had some of them once.
Oh,
I've got to get the kids one of them. Sorry, Bobby. I'm really sorry, Bobby. Really, really sorry.
do it again. Do it again. Go on. A lot of the things you see are going to be far, far more expensive. But if you don't want to hassle with haggling, it's a perfect place to come in at.
Like 4 customers.
Soon you'll have lots of customers.
We just start, have money a little bit, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Everything small.
Small, yeah.
Richard Branson started off selling records from his bedroom. Now he has airplanes and rocket ships. Tonight we're going to eat at Ubud Shanti Warung. It's on the rice fields in Ubud. I think possibly I found the best warung in Bali. That's quite a statement, isn't it? But you got to come here and eat it. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm just going to show you around a little bit. Now it's a simple place, but that's what makes it even better. Now if you're in Ubud and you come into the rice fields, there is a yoga place just across from them, and it's on the S Bend. And if you've ever been out on the rice fields, you'll know the S Bend. Just looking at it now. But we come back, it's a family run business, and they're the sweetest family you could ever imagine. And the food is absolutely divine.
My warung, the name is Ubud Shanti Warung. At the place is near the rice field, and come here is you can see the rice field in the middle. You're walking. It's enjoy with your friend or your family. Yeah.
Yes, and you run this with your family?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
With your sister?
Yeah, my sister and with my mom, and also my father here.
Your father?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And you, the food is Indonesian food?
Yes, Indonesian food like nasi goreng.
Yum,
It's
yum.
delicious. And fried noodle, the name is mie goreng. Yeah. And also gado-gado with the peanut sauce. And we have a kopi Bali.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
nice.
it's a nice taste.
Why is kopi Bali better than normal coffee?
The taste is different. Like a kopi Bali is a pure black coffee, and I think for at the coffee shop, I think with milk and with the baileys, I think. Yeah.
Coffee.
It's a pure coffee. It's a black coffee. Yeah.
Yeah, and made from in Balinese fabric coffee.
Fabric coffee. Yeah.
We like Bali coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
We used to take them home.
Yeah.
Because in England, you can't buy Bali coffee.
When you go home, I can buy here for you.
Yeah.
Special from fabric.
So if we order some food, maybe we can video a little bit of you cooking now? Yeah? Is that okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so what do you want to eat?
What do I want to eat? It's going to be nasi goreng spicy for me.
Yes, sure.
Nasi goreng.
Not so spicy.
Spicy?
No, yes, that's good. Oh, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So 2 nasi goreng, one more spicy.
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
What you like?
They're nice.
The lights look lovely.
Good night.
It looks nice from outside as well. That's lovely. This is really nice. I think we stay with you next time.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so these are the ladies all in the kitchen. Hi! That's cooking the rice, yeah?
Yeah.
The nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng special.
Yeah. We try and make this at home.
Yeah?
Yeah, me and my daughters.
Oh.
We try and make nasi goreng, but it tastes the same. And the
It's a sambal.
sambal, yes, I see.
Yeah.
Spicy.
This for Mark, I put the small chili.
Oh yeah, he likes chili.
Yeah.
Even at home, we have to put extra chili in for Mark.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
You can try.
Oh, thank you. Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
More sweet? You want more sweet?
Yeah, I don't mind more. A little bit more.
Yeah.
Thank you. These are the plates they're getting ready. Lots of detail.
Let me just and look at that.
Yes.
That's looking good, isn't it?
Chicken satay, egg, sambal, and this is pickles and the chips.
Fantastic. And that is
Special nasi goreng.
a special nasi goreng. And which one's the spicy one?
This one.
This is the spicy one, and that's mine. This is nasi goreng, and I've had 2 here already. Honestly, like I said, this is
This is my first one.
potentially the best warung I've ever been to in Bali, and that is saying something. The food is absolutely amazing, and now I'm going to eat some. I'm so looking forward to this. So looking forward to this. Look at that. White wine, so if you
Good. Yeah.
want to go somewhere good, this is a place to go. Honestly, it's amazing food, and you're the expert, so come along and tell them.
I love this chutney stuff they've got on.
And the salad, and you've seen it, but I'm going to sort of bring some over so you can see that. That is it's like a salad with pineapple. It's amazing, absolutely amazing taste. And there you are, sambal. I'm putting in about a spoonful because I love it.
It's not like most sambals we've had. It's more like a sweet chutney.
Sweet, yeah, it is like a sweet chutney, isn't it? And because it's like a sweet chutney, you can have it spicier, and it sort of gives the spice taste. Yeah, without being. Sometimes things are hot for no reason, and this is just absolutely to die for.
What's also very nice is that they just leave you alone while you're eating.
This family really needs to succeed because they're so lovely. The food is so great. And the accommodation here as well. It's not what this video is about, but the accommodation looks brilliant as well. And what a view. You're looking over the paddy field in front of you.
Anybody who knows me and Mark know that we're not really into big fancy hotels or expensive rooms anywhere. We're all about the tradition, so if the room's a little bit dated, then it doesn't really matter to us. As long as it's clean, sheets are clean, towels are clean, that's all that matters.
Yeah. It's the experience you have with it that matters.
Yeah. You can have it.
This food is absolutely. It's spicy. My lips are burning, but that's what I like. That I do like it.
Try yours.
Yeah, you taste that.
I could have eaten that, I think.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's nice.
It is. It's tasty. That's what's so good about it. Some more sample. Anyway, look at this. I'm scraping the last bits out.
Straight mine.
It is to die for. It is. And I think, I'm hoping, they'll have pisang goreng afterwards, because that's really good as well. That's fried banana for those of you who don't know what it is. Oh, this is absolutely divine. I keep on saying it. It is the best.
I hope you're eating with your mouth shut, Mark.
Yeah, so do I. If I'm not, don't complain, alright?
No, do complain. Comment below. Shut your mouth when you're eating, Mark, then.
It's just I'm trying to talk to you and eat it. And I'm enjoying it immensely. So probably I'm open my mouth, so I apologise now. Well, that was absolutely amazing. And I'm just eating the prawn crackers now. Cheers. And for the second course, we're going to go for pisang goreng. It's fried banana. That's got chocolate.
Well, we've had an absolute fantastic day today, and even with the monkey nicking the painting, it's still been great. And the food at Warren Shanty is just amazing. So good, in fact, we're going back there for breakfast tomorrow. Also, we'll be going on to stay at Kuta tomorrow. We'll be staying back at Sushi Bungalows. We take our friend Wayan out for some food on the way to Kuta, and we end up at the Hard Rock Cafe. The food portions are absolutely immense. So big, in fact, he had to take a doggy bag home. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, give the video a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing. We're slowly heading towards our 1,000 subscribers now, and we've decided that when we get to that sort of 1,000 point, we're going to do a giveaway. We're not sure what we're going to give away yet, but we're going to do something. So anyway, subscribe if you haven't, and you could be the lucky winner of something to be given away, which we don't know what it is yet. Anyway, see you in the next video, guys. See you later. Bye.
Oh yeah, baby, I need you.